Hey guys, John here, Darkstar Overland. Got my 2023 Toyota Tundra. We're going to be adding some TRD lettering to the front grille just to brighten it up a little bit. Don't worry, we're going to be getting that painted black pretty soon. So what we have are some TRD letter inserts and some TRD livery colors right there that we're going to be putting on the grille. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright, so what you're going to want to start off with first is just clean it all out with alcohol. I did like an alcohol water base just to get all the, if there's any wax or anything in there, any bug guts. The sticker won't stick very well if there's Armor All or wax. It just won't last very long. Alright, got the whole thing all nice and cleaned out. Let's go ahead and start with the T. To be honest, I'm really not sure how. Hopefully it's a slightly thicker vinyl. If the vinyl's thick, it should be pretty easy to get into the grooves. So what I'm going to try to do is just line it up. That actually looks pretty good right there. Oh, you don't want to push too hard because then you'll stretch the vinyl. The last thing you want to do is stretch this vinyl. You can see it stretched a little bit right there in the top right corner. Dang. I may have put it just a hair too low. I think the gap on top is just I might be getting a little OCD about it. Okay, so the R is going to be a little bit harder. You really don't want to stretch this while peeling it off, but you still want to kind of maintain the shape. Yeah, this is going to be a pain. Oh, don't stretch, don't stretch. All right, so what we're going to try to do is just hope it, oh, there we go, there we go. Oh no. Okay. Nope. Oh man. I might have to go with a thicker material. Maybe the vinyl is not the best way to go, but we'll try it for now, for however long it lasts. What they need to go with a thicker material because in that way you can really work it in, you know, kind of maintain a shape. It's working though. For the TRD R, the extra R guys, I think they put the R for copyright reasons is my assumption. Right. There we go. Oh. Now let's try to start over on this. This did not turn out right. No, you can't start over. There is no starting over on this once you get it down. We're gonna have a wrinkle if we don't get this to. It's weird because it didn't even stretch. Alright, there we go. These are just okay. just temporary for now, just to give it some type of color. This doesn't quite, I don't know, I didn't quite get it perfect there. It kind of bothers me a little bit. Let's get the, start with the top color. All right, just grab all 3 colors. These shouldn't be too bad to pop on. Looks like it shouldn't just line right up right there. Again, you don't want to, when you peel the vinyl, just let it, don't force it off, just kind of let it peel off on its own. Put that there. You don't want to stretch it in any way because then you're going to deform the vinyl to how it's cut. Oh man, the OCD-ness of me is gonna drive me nuts on this one. All right. Just gonna slowly work my finger back and forth. There we go, we got the first one on. Really kind of rub it in. See how it looks. It doesn't look too bad. It kind of looks kind of cheesy actually. I don't know if I like the TRD, the lettering insert, I don't know. We'll see, let's go on to the next one. Keep it straight. Man, it kind of feels like the orange has more of a rounded edge to it. Like something doesn't seem right. Okay, just gonna work my finger back and forth. Just gonna use my nail to push it in. There we go, we got the red and the orange. Now we gotta do the yellow. I think next time, probably go with like a thick, I know there's a couple companies that make like a thick lettering right here. Do the yellow next. It's not quite high enough. Ugh. You can kind of see the yellow actually has the plotter kind of, the plotter that they use to cut put a little nick right there. You can see it's not perfectly smooth. Kind of finessing it in. You know, I was super careful to line these up perfect, but you can kind of see how it goes on every single one. The vinyl kind of like comes up onto the flat surface, but see, it's on both sides, so you can tell the vinyl is actually just a hair too long, because it's not like it's on one side, it's on both sides. Trying to push it in to really hide it. It's all completed. Got the TRD filled in with the red sticker, and then the Toyota livery colors. I was kind of joking earlier because I said TRD R. They probably give you an extra R. The R is probably the hardest part. Mine is sloped slightly upward right here. I could have done a little better, but overall I think it's pretty good. I'm not gonna complain too much about it. Just kind of do something just to give it to like stand out from all the other Tundras. Just do something just to put a little personal touch on it, even though a lot of people actually already have that. We're gonna be getting the mustache painted next, and same thing with the chrome Toyota hybrid badge. That's next on the list. All right, guys. Got any comments, questions, concerns? Put it down in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to get back to you guys. But truck's been coming along really well. We got the chrome delete all done. Got the SR5 trim on there. Got the handle covers on. Really like it. Really matches the all the OEM gloss black. All right, guys. You guys have yourself a good day.